In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and enable specific settings in Intuit QuickBooks, a popular accounting software. Tailoring these settings can enhance your accounting workflow and ensure that all your expenses are meticulously tracked and managed. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to go to the QuickBooks homepage. You can do this by opening your web browser and visiting the QuickBooks website. Simply log in with your credentials if you haven't done so already. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to this platform. This primary hub is where you'll navigate through most key features and settings. Next, look for the Settings option. It's typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Clicking on the Settings gear icon will open a drop-down menu with various options. From here, your mission is to access the Account and Settings. Selecting this will lead you to a new page where the customization of your account truly begins. In the Account and Settings menu, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and click on Expenses. This section is crucial as it allows you to manage how your business expenses are handled and recorded in QuickBooks. Once in the Expenses tab, you can review current settings and make adjustments that align with your business needs. Now you'll see an option to enable On Bills and Expenses. Go ahead and click to enable this feature. This setting is particularly useful as it allows you to mark expenses or bills as billable to a customer or client. For example, if you purchase materials specifically for a customer project, enabling this feature lets you track these expenses distinctly and assign them accurately. Remember, enabling this feature can potentially streamline your invoicing process, ensuring that all billable expenses are accounted for without unnecessary manual tracking. This aspect not only enhances precision in billing, but also saves time, leaving you more opportunity to focus on other essential business tasks. That wraps up our quick tutorial on customizing your expenses settings in QuickBooks. Each step builds on the previous one to ensure your expenses are aligned with your accounting strategy, improving accuracy and efficiency. Revisit these settings periodically to make adjustments as your business evolves. If you followed along successfully, give yourself a pat on the back. Tailoring these settings might seem minor, but it plays a significant role in ensuring your financial data is clean and efficiently organized. If any questions arise while customizing your settings, don't hesitate to consult the QuickBooks community for further guidance. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.